Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Momin. I am going to show you in this video how to log into laptop by use face lock. Okay. So in this video, I will just use the third-party software Keylemon, which is used for the face lock. So at first, you will go to the browser, any browser. I just click in Google Chrome. Go to the Google Chrome browser or any browser and type Keylemon 3.2.3 download it. Okay, or type here Keylemon download. Keylemon 3.2.3 download. So here you can see that the latest version of the Keylemon 2020, another one Keylemon download for the Windows 8.7 file horse, another one. So I just click in the latest version of the Keylemon, click to the download link. Okay, so here you can see to the free download Keylemon 3.2.3 free download. Just click to the free download option. After click to the free download option, here also another link, downloaded link. Okay, you just click the downloaded link. Here we can see that the download is speed. Okay, so if you have to another downloaded manager such as the ITM to another etc, just download in your Keylemon. Okay, my Keylemon download completed. Now I am going to the folder where my downloaded file. Right click, show in my folder. Okay, so this is my Keylemon download file. Just I copy to this download and paste in my desktop. So at first you download to this file Keylemon 3.2.3. Now I am installed to this in my laptop. Right click, run as administrator, or double click to this file. Do you want to allow these apps to change to your device? Yes. And then you select your language, English, then OK. Then you can see to the welcome wizard, click here to next. And another one, the license agreement. You just accept license agreement, click I accept the terms of the license agreement, and then click to the next. And choose illustration location. If you want to install to this software to another different location, just select to the browser and click next. Or if you not require, just installation in the by default C drive, that time you can use to by default next. And another one, don't not create shortcut. You don't use to this. If you click here, that time no shortcut in your desktop. So I'm not click here, just install. So now my Keylemon setup is now going to be installation 40%, 65%. That time needed to few minute or second for installation. My installation have done. So here another option to finish. So you can see that here the Keylemon shortcut key, just click to this shortcut, double click. Here we can see the many others option. So face lock, voice lock, plugin and package. So this is the trial version of you. So at first set up your face lock. So let's go to set up face lock. Click to set up now and create to your face profile. Creating your face profile, just click here to create your face profile, and click here to create a new face model. Okay, so this system will recognize to you in your page, and after recognize, go to the next step. Okay, and here you can put in your password, and then click finish. So your face lock already select. Now let's go to the check. Okay, my system automatically unlock. So this face lock needed to microsecond for unlocking your system. Very fast work. Okay, check it again. Okay, so this is the system which you can use to in your laptop for use face lock. So thank you very much for watching this full video. See you again to another ones. Till then, bye. Allah Hafiz.